At this time, we are investigating an officer-involved shooting that involves the San Leandro Police Department. What we can share with you at this time is that just after 4:30 this afternoon, San Leandro officers were in the city of Oakland at 105th Avenue down by Creekside. What we do know at this time is that one of the officers discovered a stolen vehicle. As they attempted to stop the stolen vehicle, that vehicle rammed into the officer's vehicle. The officer discharged his firearm and ultimately struck the driver of the stolen vehicle. Now, the vehicle was reported stolen out of Oakland today. We are continuing this investigation.